Well, here we are at Meridian State Park, Texas, a beautiful park. We're going to take 5 minutes out of our day here to do one of our 5 upgrades in 5 minutes. Based on your response, you guys seem to like these things, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do 5 upgrade idea fixes in 5 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, the first thing we're going to talk about here is this little spot right down here by the shower. The first time we used a shower in this RV a couple more years ago, we noticed that water after a shower would pool up pretty badly right down there. Take the towel whenever we're done with it and throw it down there. That would absorb the water, and we'd take that and put it in the dirty clothes afterwards, after we took some showers. But there's a better way to do it. What you do is you get one of these splash guards right here. See this? Now, I use these at home all the time on tubs that have showers, and they work quite well to keep the splash from coming here, running down there, running off onto the floor. This was quick and easy, and it works just great. Okay, tip number 2, and by that we mean really number 2. We're going to be messing with our sewer hose here like that. What we sometimes call the Stinky Slinky. And what we're going to be talking about today are these racks that you use to level, or at the very least, make it so it runs downhill. Now, it turns out that some campsites, not usually state park campsites, but some of these private fancy schmancy campsites actually require these things, okay? And there's a debate going on right now whether or not it's really necessary, because what some places are asking you to do is to put like a P-trap in the middle of this hose so it goes along, dips down, and you got that water line like you do in any drain line in your home. You got that place there to keep fumes from coming back. Some places are recommending you do that. Others say use this. Well, this works quite easily. All you do is you put the Stinky Slinky down in a relatively straight line. It just fans out beside it. There you go. It's just that easy. Thanks. And you realize, oh my gosh, this thing is just so hard to get off of there sometimes. It just seems to get tighter. I have, on occasion, picked up a rock and hit this thing in order to loosen it. All right, now, that's not good. You'll end up breaking this. Well, if luck would have it, they sell these really cool spanner wrenches that you can use. You can put on here and just boom, and take it right off quite easily. They also work real well if you have to, like in this case, use 2 of your hoses. You can put these on here just like so, going opposite directions, and tighten it. Boom. And if you don't tighten that well, and it happens to come apart when you open up your valve, this becomes a fire hose from hell. Just so you know, make sure that's tight. These are the things to do it. Okay. There's always a problem when you're getting up in the middle of the night, go to the bathroom in an RV. You can wake up the person or persons with you. If you turn on a light, what you need is some kind of little light that'll get you to the bathroom so you can get your business done. One of the best ways to do it, I've tried the battery operated type. Someone always leaves them on and runs down the battery. They're good to get 1 day out of it. But these are better in 2 ways. One, they go off automatically. They're motion sensing. Once there's nobody there, it goes off, sound, saves battery, and these last for a long time. Secondly, they are USB rechargeable. Here's the thing, we like paper towels. Everybody likes paper towels. There's a lot of ways to dispense paper towels. One of the ways you can do it is you can buy one of these plastic things that fold down, you screw it up here, and you put it in there, and you put your paper towels. That's what I did, okay? I made the paper towel holder right here just like this, and it is durable. It's gonna last forever. Going down the road, it holds things. If you have some kind of problem with this, with the paper towels unspooling when it's a travel day, put a rubber band on it. All right? You just simply put them together and they're done, okay? Please edit this to be only 5 minutes long. Thank you very much. We'll see you guys later.